Between houses, the music would rise again, accordion breathing, the guitars steady, and the triangle cutting through chilled air. And every so often, fireworks were set off. Brief, celebratory bursts that echoed throughout the whole town. Not constant, not overwhelming, but just enough to mark joy. This wasn't entertainment, this was punctuation. Traditions like the Cantor aos Reis survived because they adapted without losing their soul. Once, payment was olive oil. Now, it's donations. Once, news traveled by foot. Now, it's shared online. But the heart remains the same. Visit every home, bless the community, carry memory forward,